there's also one envelope here. It's a thank you card. Okay, there's no card, it's only the receipt of the towel. So this is the price, which is 729 rupees. The name of the colors of the bath towels are, this one is sunshine yellow and the other one is Spanish red. So the towels look like in good quality, and it's very soft. The product description, it says 500 GSM. This is actually from the brand Amazon. This is own brand of Amazon, the Solimo, and this is made in India. The price is actually good. Looking at the quality of the product, it's actually not thin, it's quite thick. The size of the towels are actually good. I think it's around 140 by 70 centimeters, so it's actually big. So that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.